Hey everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you how you can easily turn on two-step verification on your Pinterest app. So in order to begin, I'll open the Pinterest application, and once it's loaded, what you can do is click on the saved option at the bottom. Now you have to click on the three dots, click on settings, and then in here you have to click on security and logins, and here you have this option to turn on two-factor authentication. You have to click on it, and now it's asking me to add my email address, so I will type in my email address. And now once you have typed in your email address, you have to click on next, and now it's asking me for the password of my account, so I'll type in my password, click on next. As you can see, it's asking me to add my mobile number now, so I will select my country code at first, and then I'll type in my mobile number. Now I can click on next. So once you have typed in the mobile number, they will text you with a code. You have to type in that code right here. So I have received my code. I will copy it and paste it here, and now I'll click on verify. And now you can see the two-factor authentication is turned on now. You can also get a backup code which you can use if your mobile number, if you can't complete the two-step verification process. So that's it for today's video. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.